Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scribe Me Quick Designs, and today I'm announcing the winner of my Teacher Appreciation Giveaway that I ran here on my YouTube channel over this past weekend. This is my way of saying thank you, teachers. It's the beginning of the school year. I know you guys work hard for our students all year long, and I wanted to do something nice just for teachers. So this giveaway was for teachers that are in the United States who teach pre-K through the 12th grade. Those are the teachers who entered, and I'm sorry I can't give one to everybody, but I have one brand new Cricut Maker machine and a bunch of Cricut cardstock and a basic toolkit, plus free registration to my Design Space Basics class, which will be coming out here in mid-September. That's going to walk you through unboxing your Cricut machine, so whether it's a Cricut Explorer or a Cricut Maker in this case, and all the basics that you need to know to get up and running in Design Space so you can start creating for yourself and for your classroom or gifts or whatever. So without further ado, let me announce who won. I used Rafflecopter for the entry for this, and it randomly selected a winner. So the winner is Megan Wright. Yes, Megan Wright is the teacher who won. She is a 5th grade teacher, and she loves creating with the Cricut. She doesn't own one. She borrowed one to help set up her classroom this year and kind of was trying to teach herself how to use it and really enjoyed doing that. So Megan, I'm so happy that you won. I hope that this makes your day, and I cannot wait to see what you create for your classroom. Please come join us in our Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group, where we'll be able to help answer questions for you. And also, for those of you that are interested in my Design Space Basics class that's coming out, I will be posting that announcement here on my YouTube channel here in the next couple of weeks, and registration will open for that class. All right, thanks so much. Megan Wright, I will be contacting you via email or through Facebook Messenger to let you know that you were the winner and also to gather your information. Cricut sponsored this giveaway with me. They will be shipping you your prize. All right, guys, happy crafting.